final ano.
Para ikaw.
Magkano lahat yan? Pababayaran ko ba yan lahat? Iiwan ko na lang yung dalawang ano. Pero tanan. Mommy Dog and where are we going now? Christmas tree? Where's the Christmas tree here? What? Second floor. We go to the second floor. You! I cannot see you. We're going to second floor. Say hi! This is Mommy Dog and... Okay. You take me. Where is the Christmas... Uy, look at the big Santa Claus. How about the big Santa Claus, Nak? We're not going to buy it. Don't touch the glasswares. You'll break them. So these are the Christmas trees. So we have to choose a Christmas tree now. I want that one. And I want this one. Can we buy this one? Please? Which one do you like? We have to buy a bigger tree. Not a small tree.
I want this one.
But it's a very thin.
Yeah, it's so thin.
It has to be like this. This is small.
Let's buy this one.
It's small.
This one.
But it's also thin. We have to buy
Oh, good.
golden one.
That's
That
good.
one? Yeah, it's okay. But I don't like the color. It's like dark green. I like this one, but this is so small. We have to buy a bigger one. What's this one? Nak, what's this one? Pine cone? You like green? I know. Ah, yeah, that big. Let me see how tall is it. Ah, yeah. Yeah. Eh, ano ini kadako? 7 feet. Is this the same with that one? Pareha? So you buy this one? This one or that one? I think this is better.
No, that one is better. I like the color.
But it looks like an... Oh, it's not really a good Christmas tree.
Spike, I want that one.
Oh, this one na lang, Nak. So, how about the lights? What lights do we put in here? Ah, the star also.
This one.
Yeah, we need a star. Hi kayo sa aming vlog. Kani akin na. Kilian, come here. We will ask them to say hi to our vlog. Say hi. Anong sasabihin nun? Merry Christmas to Mommy and the kid. Ano lahat yan? Pababayaran ko ba yan lahat? Nako. Iiwan ko na lang yung dalawang ano. Ha? Kid, let's go. We will pay it na. So we can decorate our house. Oh, be careful. Uy, diri ini. Wala nang ibabaya dito. Para ano doon? Pero tanan, ma'am. Yapan mo pa ya ka ba direct. Nako. Bilangin mo na maayos, ma'am, ha? Baka hindi ko mabayaran. Nak, we will pay na. How much is it? Maybe we cannot pay it because it's too expensive. How much is it na? Wait, kuya, ha? Ah, ano pa lang? 900? Sige.